Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss for all you note-taking enthusiasts out there. We're going to be diving into the world of two popular note-taking tools, Obsidian and Logseq. For this video we're going to explore what these tools are, their key features, and most importantly, discuss the differences between them. And then finally we'll attempt to determine which one might be better for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So what is Obsidian? Well, Obsidian is a powerful note-taking and knowledge management tool, and it has gained a significant following among productivity enthusiasts. It is built on top of the Markdown language, making it highly customizable and flexible. Obsidian uses a local-first approach, which means all your data is stored on your device, giving you full control over your notes. Now let's take a look at some of Obsidian's notable features. First one is the Markdown-based system that it has. Obsidian uses Markdown, a lightweight markup language, which is used to format and structure your notes. Markdown allows you to focus on writing while providing easy-to-use syntax for headings, links, lists, and more. Obsidian has bidirectional linking. One of Obsidian's standout features is its support for bidirectional linking. It allows you to create connections between different notes by using double brackets, enabling a powerful network of interconnected thoughts and ideas. Obsidian also has graph view and backlinking. Obsidian provides a graph view that visualizes the relationships between your notes. This helps you understand the connections and dependencies within your knowledge base. Additionally, you can easily navigate back and forth through backlinks, allowing you to see which notes reference a particular note. Obsidian also has a lot of customizability and plugins as well. Obsidian offers a high level of customizability, allowing you to personalize the app to suit your preferences. You can choose from various themes, layouts, and even create your own CSS styles. Additionally, Obsidian supports a wide range of community-developed plugins, enhancing its functionality even further. So you can choose from a long list of customizability and plugin options. And that's what Obsidian offers. Now let's move on to Logseq, which is another note-taking tool that has been gaining attention recently. Logseq focuses on providing a seamless and efficient way to capture and organize your thoughts using plain text files. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of Logseq's key features. First is that Logseq is a block-based structure. Logseq organizes your notes in a block-based structure similar to tools like Roam Research. Each block can contain text, links, and embedded content, providing a more granular level of organization within your notes. Another thing that Logseq offers is its outlining and transclusion. Logseq allows you to create hierarchical outlines by indenting blocks. This feature is particularly useful for organizing and structuring your notes. Additionally, you can also use transclusion, which is used to include blocks from other pages within your notes, creating a more dynamic and interconnected system. Logseq also has querying and filtering. Logseq introduces a powerful query language called EDN query. It enables you to filter, search, and aggregate your notes based on specific criteria. This feature makes it easy to extract valuable insights from your knowledge base. Logseq also has daily notes and version control. Logseq automatically creates a new daily note for each day, providing a designated space for capturing your thoughts and ideas. Additionally, Logseq integrates with Git for version control, which allows you to track changes and collaborate on your notes. And those are Logseq's key features. Now that we have explored the main features of both Obsidian and Logseq, let's delve into their differences to help decide which one might be better suited to your needs. First things first is the note organization. Obsidian's bidirectional linking and graph view makes it easy to navigate and visualize the connections between your notes. On the other hand, Logseq's block-based structure and outlining provide a more hierarchical and structured approach to note organization. Now let's take a look at the differences between both tools' customizability. Obsidian offers an extensive customization suite, which includes themes, layouts, and plugins. Logseq, while still customizable, does not provide the same level of flexibility as Obsidian. Next, let's take a look at both tools' querying capabilities. Logseq's powerful querying language, EDN query, gives you the ability to search, filter, and aggregate your notes in a highly sophisticated manner. Although it has basic search functionality, Obsidian does not provide the same level of advanced querying capabilities as Logseq. Lastly, let's take a look at both tools' user interface and learning curve. Obsidian has a more polished user interface with a gentle learning curve, making it a bit more accessible to beginners. While Logseq is quite powerful and has a highly steeper learning curve due to its block-based structure. And on top of that, you also need to learn the EDN query language. Now comes the very challenging question. Which note-taking tool is better, Obsidian or Logseq? As usual, the answer largely depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you prefer a visually appealing user interface, bidirectional linking, and a vast ecosystem of plugins, Obsidian is a great choice for those who want a balance between flexibility as well as simplicity. If you value a block-based structure, hierarchical outlining, and advanced querying capabilities, then Logseq is much better for you. Logseq is also ideal for users who prefer a more structured approach to their note-taking organization and also require a more powerful search and filtering option. Ultimately, both Obsidian and Logseq are very excellent tools, and the choice between them will depend on your individual workflow, note-taking preferences, and the features that align with your needs. And that's pretty much Obsidian and Logseq. We discussed their features, highlighted their differences, and offered some guidance on choosing the better option for you. Just remember, the right tool is the one that supports your note-taking workflow and enhances your productivity. As always, thank you for watching. Until next time, see you!